You're an example of the type of fan Hunter was talking about. Yeah, I think he said Moto Media. He may have said fan as well, but yeah, I mean, I'll definitely be one of those people for sure. I believe in asking the hard questions, scrutinizing, doing all things that media should do. You know, guys like you say you want the sport to grow, but then you want to treat these riders like little princesses up in the press conferences. Last week, one of the riders' agents asked for a question not to be asked at the press conference, and Feld sent around a text telling the media not to ask a question. Like that is journalism 101. That stuff is absolutely ridiculous and cannot be taken seriously. Everything's a secret. We don't talk about injuries. We can't ask the hard questions. And fans like you glorify these guys and put them on a pedestal. And they're always right. You can't talk about them. You can't bench race. You can't make any assumptions because you don't want to upset the daddy rider. So good job, man. You're doing great.